Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A77 and today I'll show you how you can record screen on this device. So to get started, we're gonna pull down our notifications, swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles, and in here you'll find a screen recording toggle. Now if it's not visible on here for some reason, which I don't see it myself, we can just press right over here on this square and it should be somewhere here. So we have pages, so I'm just gonna flip through them. And it is literally the last toggle. So once you see it, you can then grab it by holding it and drag it over to the top. I think I added it, but where is it? Oh wait, there it is. There we go. So now that it's added, we can go back and this toggle should be accessible to us in the panel. So from here we can simply tap on it. It will bring up this little statement of use, so continue and agree and continue, then accept whatever it needs, and it will give us this overlay. So we have tap to record, the first option, then we have settings, and we have close. Now let's touch upon the settings right now. So here we have record system sound, you can turn that off or on, and we have record microphone sound. So you can choose whichever one you want. If you don't want any kind of sound, obviously just disable both of them. And I'm going to now select record, and as you can see, it is now recording. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the device. That also includes applications. And once you're done, interact with this overlay right here and then select the square, and this will automatically save your screen recording to your Photos application. And as you can see, it literally just appeared right here, so I can tap on it. And there it is. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.